Hi and welcome to my review of the Parrot Jumping Sumo. I would say unboxing, but in the box all you get is the instructions and the micro SD cable which you use to charge the Mini Sumo. Just up in there. Battery time is 90 minutes to recharge, which actually is pretty good, and all you need besides that is either an iPad, an iPhone or an Android device to control it on. So I've already put the battery in, which took all of about 5 seconds, so it already came pre-charged as well, which is great. So I'll fire it up and let's see how we get on. Okay, to turn it on you simply press the button on the top there, which it will then create its own Wi-Fi network, which then hopefully will appear on my iPad. And there we have it, Jumping Sumo. So I'm simply going to connect to that network, and while it's doing that, okay, I have downloaded on my iPad Free Flight 3, which you can use to control not just the Mini Sumo, which is doing its own little dance while it warms up, but also the drone that walks up the walls based on quadcopter design. Either will run with the Free Flight 3 software. So without more ado, I'll set that up and get it cracking. Now you can see here it's actually already connected, and I can see myself there on the video. Hello. Through the front mounted camera. I'm actually recording this on a Nabi HD sports camera, of which you can find on my other reviews. Great alternative to GoPro Silver, by the way, at around a quarter of the cost.
Okay, as standard, the Mini Sumo comes with the wheels tucked in. You can pull them out for extra stability, which I would recommend. They pull out relatively easily, and there you have it with the wider stance, and I'd certainly recommend this for learning. It also lands much easier when jumping.
Okay, once you've powered everything up, just start the Free Flight app very simply by pressing start. It's just connecting there now. There we can see camera in front of me. You've got a function on here where you can spin it through 180 degrees simply by swiping up or down, and 90 degrees left to right. I'll show you what that looks like in reality. Okay, as I mentioned, you can spin through 180 degrees very quickly in either direction, 90 degrees, very fast. Besides the ability to control it simply by tilting the iPad backwards, sort of from left to right. It also comes with a whole host of fun little functions here: spin, tap, slow shake, metronome, undulation, spin, jump. Wonder what that one does. To move forwards, very simple. Backwards, just as simple, pull on the lever. If you want to turn, you simply, as you move forwards, you can angle the iPad to the left or the right to turn around. It does go much faster than this. One of the key functions on it is the jumping function. You can jump horizontally, or vertically, which does give it the ability to jump some stairs. So let's go play with some stairs.
Okay, well, that's the end of my Parrot Jumping Sumo review. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please check out my other videos and subscribe. Thanks for listening.